has long held as sacred.
But many indigenous people say they take ayahuasca in order to understand the rules of society, become better human beings.
The preparation of ayahuasca is the realm of the shaman healers, or curanderos. Like Don Francisco Montes Shuna from the Capanagua people, must blow smoke from an ancient species of tobacco known as papacho to purify the ritual.
En el idioma Capanagua mi nombre es Shamuriki Yashipiari. Shamuriki Yashipiari, que quiere decir el ángel de la selva. Yo vengo de una raíz de curanderos, así es que siento la conexión de todos mis ancestros, de mi abuela, de mis abuelos, de toda la familia. Estamos conectados y sentimos las conexiones, de todo lo que se trata de la Amazonía.
As research progresses, the evidence is building that ayahuasca can have health benefits. When brewed, the vine alone has powerful healing properties, thanks to a molecule it contains, known to science as harmine.
There have been studies suggesting neurogenesis, that the harmine will be producing new neurons, even new beta cells for the pancreas, and perhaps new cells also for the ligaments and so on.
The harmine in the vine might be a medical miracle, but it doesn't produce a visionary state. That only happens when it's combined with the leaves of certain other plants indigenous to the Amazon, like this one called chaliponga, which contains the psychoactive chemical at the heart of ayahuasca, DMT, short for dimethyltryptamine. DMT is considered one of the most potent psychedelics, but scientific studies have now confirmed it is non-addictive and can have therapeutic properties when administered in controlled doses and circumstances.
We're discovering that when accompanied by talking therapy as well, can be extremely helpful in bringing to an end long-term intractable conditions.
But there's just one problem. DMT isn't orally active because enzymes in the gut normally destroy it on contact. It's precisely here that the shamanistic science of the Amazon comes in, with a remarkable solution.
So what happens is that the harmine in the vine will block the destruction of DMT in the gut, so that the DMT will cross the blood-brain barrier and go into receptors in the brain. That's what produces the visions of the DMT.
The result? Out of the tens of thousands of plant species of the Amazon, only the combination of the ayahuasca vine with the leaves of a plant containing DMT will produce the highly prized visionary effects.
We have two plants which are not psychoactive on their own, but are psychoactive when cooked together to create the ayahuasca brew. To do that by trial and error could involve centuries or millennia of experimentation.
I think we have a mystery. How did they come to this discovery? Right there looks to me like a scientific project.
It is, yeah, absolutely. I mean, it is based on experience, it's based on observation, it's based on experimentation, constant experimentation, and so on.
Over thousands of years.
Yes, exactly.
Esta tradición viene de milenarios de años, bueno, no podemos decir 2000, 3000 años.
We're getting evidence of science in the Amazon, the knowledge that indigenous shamans have accumulated and passed down over generations, over thousands of years, of plants and the properties of plants and how they may be mixed together to produce